On a health and math lesson, I highly recommend this grounding activity that we just did. So kids compared the number on this multimeter of what happened when their shoes were on and connected to the ground and when they took them off and their bare foot was touching the soil. And it was really crazy to see the numbers skyrocket here. And this is great for even junior too, because there's decimal tenths on here, or you can round the number for primary kids and just have whole numbers here. And then afterwards we were comparing the numbers. So what was the difference, the largest difference or the smallest difference? My number compared to your number of the voltage on this multimeter here. And we got a number lines and measuring tapes and manipulatives. And instead of seeing subtraction, which this is really subtraction, as takeaway, I can actually see the difference, the distance between two numbers. So I can start at the lower number and I can add up. So even if subtraction, I can use addition strategies. So we're talking about what is the most efficient strategies for these numbers. And when the numbers are close together, it's really efficient to add up. And a lot of the time when we're making change, we do this in our head using mental math. And when the numbers are far, far apart, sometimes it makes more sense to take away. So do we want to take away or do we want to find the distance between two numbers here? And then after using the manipulatives, I brought it to the whiteboard. I used an open number line and we talked about the, taking fewest largest chunks rather than counting up one by one. So it was a really great math talk using the numbers from this real life experience, this health lesson that is so, so important of grounding.